Good morning, class. Today we will start our second term syllabus. Okay. So first of all, we let's see what we will do. So we will start our unit 2, chapter 6, health and hygiene. As health and hygiene is very important for our daily life. Also, it is very important for us, or by following some rules we can keep us healthy also. Okay, so let's see what is in this chapter. All of you take out your EVS book, which is We and Our Surroundings, and open page number 45, chapter 6, health and hygiene. Now let's start our chapter, health and hygiene. Students, read with me. Health is wealth. Only a healthy person can perform his duties well. To be healthy and fit, we must follow some good habits. Okay? Now, health is wealth means if we are having a good health, then we are wealthy. And the meaning of a wealthy means a person who is sufficient or who is rich in completing his needs. Okay, whatever he wants, he can get that, or in short we can say rich. Okay, so health is wealth. Only a healthy person can perform his duties well. The person who is healthy, जो एक healthy person है, that person can perform his duties well. That can perform his duties means, like if you are a student, then you can study well. If someone who is a doctor and his duty is to take care of the patients or just to see the patients. Okay, so if he is healthy, then he can do that. Okay, so a healthy person can perform his duties well. To be healthy and fit, we must follow some good health habits. Now, what we should do to become a healthy and a fit person? We should follow some good habits. Now let's see how we will care of our body, how we will take care of our body parts. Now, our body parts work together. If any one of these parts gets affected, other parts will not work properly. Now, our body parts work together. Yes, as we are having different body parts, but all the body parts are interconnected with each other and they work together only. Okay. Now, if any one of these parts gets affected, other parts will not work properly. If any part of our body gets affected, अगर हमारी बॉडी किसी एक बॉडी पार्ट तो कुछ होता है, तो क्या होगा कि हमारे अदर जो बाकी के जो अदर बॉडी पार्ट्स हैं, they will also not work properly. Okay, now we should take care of your sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. As we all know that we have total 5 sense organs. Okay, what are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. As eyes helps us to see, nose helps us to smell, ear helps us to hear, tongue helps us to speak or taste the things, the food, and skin is used skin helps us to feel. Okay, so we should take care of our sense organs of our these body parts like eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Now, wash your eyes, nose and ears with clean water. We should wash our eyes, nose, ears with clean water. Clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner. We should use a tongue cleaner to clean our tongue. And bathing is the best way to keep your skin clean. We should take a bath daily, as bathing is the best way to keep our skin clean. Whether your skin is light or dark, too much sun rays can burn it. Yes, हमारे स्किन का कलर चाहे वो लाइट हो या फिर डार्क, whether our skin is light or dark, okay, that can be burnt but through the sun rays. Okay, so too much sun rays can burn our skin, either it is dark or light. So to protect our skin, what we should do? We should wear a hat and put on a layer of sun protection cream. We should wear a hat and we should apply a sun protection cream, that is sunscreen. We should apply a sunscreen on our skin before going outside or before going in the connection with or in direct sun. Okay, then after that, brush your teeth twice in the morning and before going to bed. We should brush our teeth twice a day. That when we should brush our teeth, first of all we should brush our teeth in the morning and as well as before going to bed. Then comb your hair properly, put a little oil on your hair. We should comb our hair properly and we should always put a little amount of oil in our hair because oil makes our hair healthy. Okay, then trim your nails regularly. We should cut our nails regularly. Trim means just to cut. So we should cut our nails regularly as the nails can have germs. It can contain germs and through nails that can go into our body also through the food we eat. Then wash your hands before and after meal. We should always wash our hands before and after meal or after eating a food. Sorry, after or before eating a food. We should always wash our hands properly before and after eating any food. Okay, now now turn page number 46. Now food and water. Eat food at fixed time. We should always eat a food at a fixed time. Okay, it doesn't mean that one day we are eating a food, we are taking a breakfast at 10 a.m, then lunch at 2 and dinner at 8, and after on the next day what we are doing, we are taking a breakfast at 11 o'clock, then lunch at 4 o'clock 4 p.m and dinner at 12. So this is a wrong way of eating food. We should always eat a food at a fixed time only. Okay, then use your own plate and glass at the dining table. We should always use our own plate and glass at the dining table. It doesn't mean that we are eating from our mother's plate or our sister or brother's plate or from our father's plate. Okay, so we should use our own plate and glass. Then third is, do not lick your fingers after eating. We should not lick our fingers after eating. What does the word lick means? It means just to pass our fingers through the tongue just to clean or just to taste the food. Okay, so we should not do this thing. Then do not talk or laugh while eating. When we are eating a food, then we should not talk or laugh. Okay, then eat slowly and chew the food well. We should eat the food slowly and chew the food properly. What does the word chew means? Chew means chabana. Okay, so we should chew the food properly. Then always eat a balanced diet. A balanced diet contains proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals and vitamins in the right amount. Now we should always eat a balanced diet. In our previous chapters, chapter food, we have learned about the balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? Balanced diet is a situation in which different elements are equal or in the correct proportions, or we can say that a balanced diet is one that supplies the different types of foods that you need in right amount. Okay, or a balanced diet is that food which contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and vitamins in the right proportion. A balanced diet is that diet which contains all the nutrients which our body need in right amount. Then drink clean and fresh water. We should always drink clean and fresh water. Then your body needs minimum of 6 glasses of water every day. Yes, we have studied this thing in chapter water also, that we should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water in a day. Okay. Then care of belongings and surroundings. How you will take care of your belongings and surroundings. What does the word belonging means? Belonging means your things, your handkerchief, your shoes, or your books and copies. How you will do it? Okay, so let's see. First is keep your things at proper places. We should always keep our things at proper places. Okay, like we should keep our books at the study table, on the study table, or in our bag. It doesn't mean that one book is lying in one room and the second 2-3 books are lying in the another room. Okay, or in the whole house your books are scattered. Okay, so we should always keep the things at their proper places, like shoes in the shoe rack, books in a cupboard, study table, or in a bag. Then clothes in a cupboard. Okay, now take care of your clothes, shoes and bags. Do not play in dirty places. Now we should take care of our clothes, shoes as well as our bags also, and we should not play in dirty places. Like many of us many of you play in the muddy area or at the dirty places. Okay, so we should not play at that dirty places, and we should take care of our clothes, shoes and bags. Then always wear neat and clean clothes. We should always wear neat and clean clothes, well ironed. Okay, then you look decent and smart in clean clothes. If we wear neat and clean clothes, then how we look? We look decent and smart. Okay, then what is the word decent? Decent means which is acceptable or which is satisfactory, or we doesn't feel embarrassed in front of anyone else. Then keep your clothes and other things away from rats and insects. Yes, we should keep our clothes as well as our other belongings also away from the rats and insects, like our watches, water bottles, bags. We should keep away these things from rats and insects. Then take care of your surroundings. We should take care of our surroundings in of our neighborhood also. Okay, then do not split everywhere. We should not spit everywhere. Spit means thukna, so we should not spit everywhere. Throw rubbish into a dustbin. What does the word rubbish means? Rubbish means garbage. Okay, so we should always throw a rubbish or a garbage into a dustbin only. Then use hanky while sneezing or coughing. When we are feeling a sneeze or a cough, then we should always use a hanky. Okay, then do not pluck flowers and leaves from public parks. We should not pluck flowers and leaves from public parks. Means what does the word means? Pluck means tolna. So we should not pluck flowers and leaves from public parks. Then trees make clean air and fresh. Plant one tree every year and look after it, as tree makes air clean and fresh. So we should always plant one tree every year and we should take care of that प्लांट ऑल्सो. ओके, इट डजंट मीन्स ये नहीं करना है हमें कि हमने क्या किया, हमने एक प्लांट लगाया और फिर हमने उसकी कोई केयर नहीं की, उसमें हमने पानी नहीं डाला, उसमें हमने मैन्योर नहीं किया, डाला, कुछ भी नहीं किया हमने, और वो अगर हम लोग उसकी केयर नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा, पेड़ सूख जाएगा. सो दैट्स वाई वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ दैट प्लांट ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी पेज नंबर 47. Now, exercise and rest. We should always do some exercises and take a proper rest just to be fit and healthy. Okay, now let's see. Exercise keeps our body fit and strong. Yes, exercise keeps our body fit as well as strong. So we should exercise daily. We should do some exercises daily, like running, walking, swimming and playing, as these exercises are very good. Okay, they are good. Now our body gets tired when we work and play all day long. Our body gets tired when we work. अगर हम कोई work कर रहे हैं तो भी हमारी body क्या होती है, tired होती है. Tired means थकना. So our body gets tired when we work as well as when we play all over the day, or then also we get tired. So our body needs rest. Yes, after playing for a long time or working from a long time, our body also needs rest. Rest refreshes our body and mind. Yes, if you take a proper rest, then what does the rest do? Rest refreshes our body and mind, and sleep gives us complete rest. Or what does the sleep do? Sleep gives us complete rest. That's why we are asked to take a rest or take a sleep before after playing or working for a long day. Okay, then children need to sleep about 10 hours a day. Now the children's means you people need to sleep about 10 hours a day, means as in a day there are 24 hours. So from that 24 hours the children are needed to take about 10 hours sleep. Okay, now remember, early to bed, early to rise make us healthy, wealthy and wise. I hope this is a rhyme, this is a nursery rhyme, and I think that you all know this rhyme, that early to bed, early to rise makes us healthy, wealthy and wise. What does it mean? That we should sleep early and we should get up early in the morning, as that makes us healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay, so now students, this completes our chapter number 6, health and hygiene. Class, your homework is to read chapter 6, health and hygiene, and complete the exercises of this chapter. Thank you, class.